So we continue the adventure today. We are going to try and get some shots of downtown Richmond in the Canal Walk. We'll see how successful we are, if we survive all the traffic or not. River, that's right, buddy. River. Dark. Yes, it was dark under that bridge. Rocks. See the fish? Normally I don't like to talk bad about the places I go. I know it's just my opinion alone. But I do not recommend the Richmond Canal Walk. There are some photo opportunities, but so are there the scent of raw sewage permeating the entire time. You'll tell from some of the pictures that it wasn't exactly what I would call picturesque. I would not bring your family. And I can't imagine riding on one of their canal boats down that poop river to see anything. But if you don't have a sense of smell or small kids, it might be worth it. Oh well, don't always win. See you guys in the next one.